Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the pairing now. Put both AirPods in the case and open the lid. You press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. That white flash is the AirPods advertising themselves and telling you they're ready to pair. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen visible so pairing prompts aren't missed. Once done, your device will scan. When the AirPods appear, select them to begin the secure pairing handshake. You should confirm the connection by selecting the AirPods name in the device list. Accept any pairing prompts, which exchange encryption keys to protect audio. Once connected, open the AirPods settings to choose microphone side, gesture actions, and noise control modes. These determine how you interact and why battery life or call quality behaves a certain way. Make sure automatic ear detection and device switching are set to your preference. Finish by testing playback and microphone. Play a short clip and speak on a call to verify both ears and mic work. If the AirPods don't show up, reset them. With case open, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. That clears old pairings and forces a fresh handshake. After reset, repair from Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, reboot your phone or laptop and try again. Restarting resolves Bluetooth stack glitches about 80% of the time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.